Hey, how's it going, guys? In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to extract metadata from an image file. So here's the image that I took in Bangkok, Thailand. And if I go into the image properties, so this is a JPEG file. And if I go to the details tab, here I have a list of the metadata information, such as the author, so which is me, myself, and the date that was taken, the name of the program that was used to process the image resolution, width, height, and so on, as well as the camera information. I took this photo using a Fujifilm camera, and here's the model name, and the f-stop, the exposure time, ISO, and so on. And on the bottom, so here we have the GPS coordinate, so latitude, longitude, and the file name, and etc. So here, let me just open my Python script. So for this exercise, I'll be using the payload library. And from the payload library, I'm going to import the image module. From the pil.exif tags, I'm going to import a text dictionary. So this is basically kind of like a enumeration. So if you just print the text object, and we get a list of a list of dictionaries. So each key representing a metadata type or property, and these are basically all the metadata information that you can extract from an image. Actually, there are quite many. So usually, majority of the time, I won't use all of them. Maybe sometimes I'll extract the metadata for the white resolution. Let's see what else. Copyrights, information, rating, and so on. Now I'm going to create image file variable, and this is going to be the image path. So my image is going to be this right here. Next, I'm going to construct image object. Should be lowercase. I'll pass the image file variable. Now we can print the tag value as well as the value associated to the tag name. So we can use the getExif method .items. So if I simply just print the tag and value variables, let's see. Oh, it should be exif. So if I just run the Python script, now we get the tag value as well as the value associated to the tag. But as you can see that the tag value, which is the property value, is basically just bunch numerical values, and these are actually keys that are associated to the dictionary from the text object. So to convert this those numerical values to their actual string value, so we need to basically reference. So basically, we need to pass this the tag value to the text dictionary to do the conversion. So here I'm going to say that if the tag value is in text dictionary, then I want to store the value to a dictionary called exif, and I'm going to convert the tag numerical value to the string property name. Now if I print the exif dictionary, so here I get the name error. So alright, let me just go ahead and create the dictionary. Now if we look at the output, so from this image file, and these are a list of all the available metadata information, such as the shutter speed value, aperture value, daytime. So the day and time that this photo is taken, as well as based on your camera model. Some of the camera will be able to store the GPS coordinate information as well, and which is right here, GPS info. Now the GPS info, so the value that associated to the GPS info dictionary key looks a little bit confusing. So let me show you. So this is gonna be optional. You can skip the step if you want. But if you want to translate this value to the proper coordinate, so what I usually like to do is, let me show you. Here I will insert if condition. So if GPS info key is in a dictionary object, in this case my dictionary is going to be EXIF object, and I'm going to create a variable to gives me the geo coordinate. So for the longitude, latitude, so each of them has four elements. So here I can insert 0, 1, 2, and 3. So, and for the third element, it's going to be 2 decimal points. 12 and comma. Now for the latitude, I think this will be longitude. So 4, 5, 6, and 2 decimal points. 7. Format. So I'm going to grab the GPS info. And I'm going to grab the values. And this is going to be the third value, so we need to divide the value by whatever the multiplier is. And this one will be 1, I think. So let me just print the GPS. Actually, it's fine. So I'll finish everything. Now I can copy this statement right here and just paste it. Now all I need to do is just change the dictionary key value. Alright, now if I print the geo coordinate, so try again. Oh, I know why. It should be F. Okay, so it was a typo. So it should be EXIF, not exit. Let me try again. So here, so here extra comma. Let me just double check something real quick. Oh, so here I have another typo. Right, now if I print the geo coordinate variable, and here's my coordinate. So if I put that into Google Map and paste the coordinate, and that tells me that this image based on the geo coordinate information, and this image is taken at this place, Ayutthaya Historical Park. And for the remaining information, so you can basically just go to each property value one by one. The remaining metadata information should be pretty self-explanatory, and So software is Adobe Photoshop. Date time is the date and time the photo is taken, and the focal length, the lens that I was using when this photo was taken, and so on. So this is everything I'm going to cover in this video, and hopefully you guys found the video useful. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.